do that? I can't do it. Oh. Oh. Okay. Whatever. Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So today's video I'm going to be doing a get ready with me for like acting or whatever. So I'm going to be basically doing makeup, my hair. I already did my skincare routine, so if y'all want a separate video for that, comment down below because that's not going to be in this video. I didn't already did it and I'm not explaining it, so I can just make that a whole separate video. But because I don't got to be there till 5 and it's only like not even 3:30 yet, so I don't want my curls to drop because I had it curled yesterday and as you can see they already dropped. Like these are good, like I'm not gonna curl these, but yeah. But how y'all feeling my new hair? Like your girl is feeling herself, okay? Anyway, so make sure you give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe right down below for more videos. Yeah, without further ado, let me stop touching this hair. Let's get on into this little get ready with me or whatever. So no, we're gonna do our eyebrows first. That's the one thing I feel like I do know how to do because like I just feel like they look good, even though I'm probably doing it wrong. So I got me a new concealer, as concealer actually matches my face or my skin tone. This is in the color or the shade 50 medium deep, and this is my Maybelline. Yeah, as you can see, it's a lot more darker than my other concealer, which is right here. Like, I don't know which I thought I was doing with that concealer. I'm not using that eyebrow from, oh, I gotta throw that away from yesterday. Ew. I'm not using the same eyebrow stuff I was using last time. I also brought something new for my eyebrows. I brought this e.l.f. pencil, and this is in this e.l.f. brow pencil, and this was in like dark brown or whatever. Like, if you guys don't know, this eyebrow is just my best friend. Like, look at that one. This one just don't be cooperating. Like, I don't know what goes on with this one. We're gonna fill it in. Y'all, okay, so I had uploaded a video a little while ago. It was my get ready, back to school, get ready with me or whatever. I can't remember what it was, but that video, oh my god. That video was like blowing up. Like it already hit 15K. Everybody's commenting on it saying like how funny it was and all that stuff. And I just watched it. And so like if y'all could explain that to me. It's dang. Oh my, this thing itches. And just in case y'all don't know, this is a lace front wig. I got it done yesterday for my play. My first play is tomorrow, which is Friday. Getting ready if I don't even gotta leave. But basically, I'm just gonna wand curl my hair, so it ain't nothing special. Now we're going to conceal. Conceal, don't feel, don't let them know. Well, now they know. Let it go, let it go. Can't hold it back anymore. Let it go, let it go. Turn away and slam the door. I don't care what they're going to say. Let the storm rage on. The gold never bothered me anyway. That's a lot of concealer. Okay. So I can do my makeup at rehearsals. It's just they don't really be giving you like enough time to do your makeup because you gotta go do makeup. No, first you do warm-ups. And then right after warm-ups, you do warm-ups for your voice because we do have to sing. It's like a musical. And then after that, you have straight after that, like you got to go do your makeup, and they only give you like 15 minutes to do your makeup and get dressed. And then after that, you got to go do mic check. And if you're late for mic check, like you get in so much trouble. So like you can't be late for mic check. And then for you to do mic check, you have to turn in your phone to get your mic. And I wanted to take a picture like with my makeup and hair done and in the costume and all that. And so I won't have enough time to take my picture if I do my makeup there and my hair there and all that other stuff, because then I'm gonna have to learn to do mic check, and then after that I gotta turn on my phone, so I won't have enough time. So that's why I'm doing it here, so I can go there and all I have to do there is put on my costume and then I can take a picture. So now I'm just gonna be doing my foundation. Yes, I put it on my finger if it would come out. Like, come on. I should be using my mirror. I feel like my makeup is actually not that bad for someone who's just learning. Okay. I gotta blend it. And I can't put it on my neck because you don't want any foundation or any makeup on the costume, so yeah, we don't do that. So it's just basic like stage makeup, which I don't know. Well, I didn't know what that was either until like, I kind of still don't know what it is, but it's like basically so you don't get washed out. I mean, since I have like melanin, I won't really get washed out, but I just like putting makeup on anyways, just for the fun of it, for the like experience and stuff. So when I do more acting, I will have like experience and I won't be like just totally lost. So got my foundation on. So foundation. So I think I want to do like a dark. So we're gonna start with the light colors. I always put this like lightest color in the crease of my eye. It makes you look like more awake, even if you're not, considering I just woke up a couple hours ago, 3 hours ago. Yeah, this one right here. Like you're supposed to have like on a like white tank top or like a camisole or something. And this is like my white tank top. I've been wearing this same one for like a long time. And like some spandex or like nude leggings or something. And I have nude leggings, but they're like white people nude. They're like not my nude, and they look so bad. So oh, and then I'm taking this one. I already started. The next shade, and then next I'm gonna use black on the ends. This. And then plus, like when I get there, they're probably gonna call for fight call, which is for the people that are in the fight scene. I'm not in it, but like, because that's for like a soldier. I'm not a soldier. I'm not in it, but like I'm at the top. You guys will understand if you've seen the setup. I'm at the top and I have lines to speak during the fight call, so I still have to go. Yeah, this is my eyeshadow. Tell me what you think. Tell me what you think. Okay, and now we're gonna do some eyeliner. This is just a cheap eyeliner. It's an auto eyeliner. I wish I would have got a liquid one. It would have been so much easier because this one keeps breaking. But this is from the Dollar Tree as well. And I'm not good at eyeliner either. I normally have people do it at the show, but hey, I gotta learn. So y'all should have literally seen when like I first opened this, but it says like right here it says mascara and extensions, and so I opened, this is the extensions one. I thought it was like for like if you have on eyelash extensions, but no, it actually gives you like extensions. Like that's hair. Like, can you see that? What is this? So this is the actual mascara. I don't need extensions. My eyelashes are already long enough, so I guess I'll just use this, my new mascara. See how this works? First, I know it's probably just like eyelash extensions, which I have never worn, so I don't even know how to put that on. But like, that's in an actual like bottle. It's not even like you just glue it on. Like, you'll be blinking and then like hairs just fall from your eyelashes. Like, that's not. What's next? What's next? I'm going to. Oh, I'm just in here. I'm just gonna put some chapstick. Oh, excuse me. I don't never do bronzer. I don't know what bronzer's for, but I have it. I don't know how to use it. So, yeah, we're gonna be doing some blush. This is just some, again, cheap blush from the Dollar Tree. I do have the right highlight brush. Hey, look at that, look at that, look at that. Hey, hey. So I think I'm gonna be taking that in color. This eyeshadow makes so much of a mess. I mean, highlighter. We're going to do lip stuff. Can y'all hear more in the background? My mom's watching it. No, I really like that color because it doesn't go with this. I need like a dark color. Alright, y'all, so I'm sorry, but the room tour is just not going to be able to get filmed today because it is currently 4:10 and I have to be out of here by 4:30, and I still have to wand curl my hair and get dressed and pack my bag and all that stuff, and that's going to take me at least probably over 30 minutes as I'm wasting time now filming this video. Well, obviously it's not a waste of time, but it's valuable time going down the drain. But yeah, sorry about that, but that video will get up, but at least you get one video today. And I was planning on filming 3 videos. I think I should have started a little bit early, but yeah, sorry about that. Let's get into curling his hair. But yeah, about to start wand curling. In case you want to know, the wand curl I'm using, I just not figured out, is by John Frieda. It's one of the fancy ones. Ooh, I heard of John Frieda. I stole this from my sister, so I know you're watching this. He's probably gonna want it back. Sorry, not sorry. But yeah, without further ado, the time lapse starts now. So it is a 4:27. We made it. I got dressed in time. You know what I'm saying? Just got on some regular spandex. I changed the spandex, and then I changed my tank top and then some slides because I gotta put on my costume anyway. And this is what I gotta wear underneath my costume. So yeah, there's no use putting on like real clothes, but this is what I'm wearing. I'm about to just throw on a jacket and be done. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't even put on perfume and all that because they don't want it on the costumes. You know, they don't want the, like, and then plus people got like allergies and asthma and all that. Oh yeah, what's reminds me, I gotta go take my inhaler. But yeah, give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe right below. Thank you guys so much for watching, and peace. Zoom.